Hello friends, this is Dilip Singh and I welcome you on my channel Career News Academy. So friends, today we are going to discuss about the habitats of the animals. Okay. In this chapter we will discuss about the habitats, types of habitats and how the animals live in its natural place. So first of all we will discuss about the habitat. What is habitat? Habitat होती क्या है? Habitat is the natural place of an organism where it lives. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का वो नेचुरल प्लेस जहाँ पर वो रहता है. इट इज कंफर्टेबल देयर एंड इट ऑल्सो सर्वाइव्स देयर ड्यूरिंग इट्स लाइफ टाइम. ओके, वो वहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल होता है और अपनी लाइफ को वहाँ पे सर्वाइव कर सकता है. इट इज द हैबिटेट ऑफ दैट एनिमल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैबिटेट? हैबिटेट इज द नेचुरल प्लेस वेयर एन ऑर्गेनिज्म सर्वाइव्स. क्लियर? सो व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स? For example, if we take the example of the habitat, then forest is the habitat of lion, tiger. It means the forest is the habitat of wild animals. Okay, fish, water. Water is the habitat of fish, shark, whale. It means the animals that lives in water is the habitat of that animal. Okay, next is land. The animals that live on land are called as terrestrial animals, and the habitat is their different types of places on the land. Okay, next is components of habitat. What are the different components? Abiotic, biotic. These are the two components of habitat. Okay, components of habitat. What are the components of habitat? These are the biotic and abiotic. Abiotic components are the physical surrounding. It means the things that do not have life. वो things जिसके अंदर life नहीं होती are called as the abiotic components, like the light, air, temperature, soil, water. Okay. Next is biotic. Biotic components are those components which have life in them. जो जीवित हैं, जिनके अंदर जीवन possible है, that are called as the biotic components. Okay. So first we will discuss about the abiotic components. What are abiotic components? We have discussed that the components that do not have life, like water, temperature, light, air and soil. These are the different types of abiotic components. First we will discuss about the water. What is the role of water? Water is the essential element of every living being. सभी living beings के लिए बहुत जरूरी होता है, because without water they cannot survive. Okay, so water defines that any living organism lives at any place or not, because if it is available then the life is possible. If it is not available then life is not possible. Next is the temperature. How temperature affects? It affects the reproduction and the activity and the movement of the organisms. We can say some animals becomes active at night and some becomes active at day. It means it is affecting the lifestyle of the organisms, because some animals cannot bear the temperature during the daytime, and that's why they become active at night, and some becomes active at daytimes. Okay, next is light. Light affects the reproduction, movement and behavior of an organism. Like the temperature, light also have an important effect on the reproduction, movement and behavior of an organism. What is role of air? How air affects the habitat? Because we need oxygen and oxygen is present in the air, so we cannot live without air. If air is not possible then life is also not possible. Every living organism needs air, means oxygen, to survive, and the plants make the food with the help of photosynthesis. And what it requires? It requires the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is present in air. Okay, that's why air is also an important factor that affects the habitat. Next is soil. Soil is also an important because all the plants leaves takes the minerals and the soil minerals and the water from the soil. सभी जो plants हैं वो कहाँ से soil water और minerals लेते हैं? Soil से लेते हैं. Okay, so it affects the growth of the plants. If the soil is fertile, then the more plants will be there. If soil is infertile, then less plants will be there. It means it is an also important factor, or we can say has vast role in the habitat. Okay. Next is biotic components. Next is biotic. What are biotic components? These are the components which have life. That means the living things nearby any place. जिस भी प्लेस के पास में जो लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो उसको उस हैबिटेट को कैसे इफेक्ट करती हैं. ओके, तो बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स आर द लिविंग थिंग्स ऑफ एनी प्लेस. किसी भी जगह की लिविंग थिंग्स को बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स बोलेंगे. ओके, इट मे बी ऑफ थ्री कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट इज प्रोड्यूसर, second is consumer, and third is decomposer. These are the three categories in biotic components. What are producer? Producer includes all the plants which produce their food themselves. ये इस कैटेगरी के अंदर वो सभी प्लांट्स आते हैं जो अपना फूड खुद प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. It means the plants produce the food with the help of photosynthesis. And what is required in the photosynthesis? They requires the chlorophyll, water, CO2, and what they gives, and sunlight, and what they gives, oxygen, and makes their food. Okay, this process occurs in the producers, and how they produce their food with the help of photosynthesis. What are the requirements? Chlorophyll, water, CO2, and sunlight. And what they give? Oxygen, and they produce their food also. Okay, so these are the main source of food. What are producer? Producer are the main source of food. Okay, next is consumer. What is the role of consumer? When the producer produces the food, the consumer take the food. Next is consumers. What are the consumers? Consumers have three categories. First is primary consumer, secondary consumer, and this will be the omnivores. Okay, primary consumers are herbivores. Okay, secondary consumers are carnivores. Herbivores are called as the primary consumers because they depends on the plants producers. These are the animals that depends only on the plants like goat, sheep, donkey, zebra, horse, cow, buffalo. Okay, these depends only on the plants, so that's why they are called as the herbivores. The plant eating animals, or they are called as the primary consumers. Next is carnivores. Or carnivorous animals are the animals that depends on the herbivorous animals because they eat the flesh of the herbivores and known as the secondary consumers. Okay. Next is the omnivores. This category contains the animals that eat both the plants and the animals. Both plants and animals. ये वो कैटेगरी होती है जिसके अंदर वो एनिमल्स आते हैं जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स को खाते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आते हैं डिकम्पोजर्स. व्हाट आर द डिकम्पोजर्स? डिकम्पोजर्स आर द नेचर्स क्लीनर, जो प्रकृति को साफ रखते हैं. इट मीन्स जब प्रोड्यूसर फूड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो कौन खाता है? प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. इट मीन्स द प्रोड्यूसर्स आर eaten by the primary consumers and the primary consumers are eaten by the secondary or carnivores, and the carnivores or omnivores are decomposed by the decomposers. It means the nutrients that are eaten by the plants are taken by the herbivores, then they are taken by the carnivores and they are decomposed, and again the nutrients comes in the soil. It means they are the recycling. They help in the recycling of the nutrients. How they help in the recycling of nutrients? Recycling of nutrients. Okay. These helps in the recycling of the nutrients. Okay. Next is the habitat. Different types of habitat. First is, there are two main types of habitats. First is aquatic and second is terrestrial. First is aquatic or second is terrestrial. Okay. So first we will discuss about the aquatic habitat. What is aquatic? Aquatic habitat is that habitat, it means the animals that have the water as their natural place. Now, what are the different types of different categories in aquatic habitat? First is marine and second is freshwater. Okay, marine water and freshwater. What is marine water? Marine water means the example of marine water is sea and ocean. These are the examples of marine water habitat. And what are the examples of animals living in that? Whale, starfish, turtle, shark. These are the animals that live in the marine water habitat or marine habitat. Okay, and plants, sargassum, fucus. These are the plants which live in the marine water habitat, and these are called as halophytes. Why? Because they live in the saline water. Okay, that's why they are called as the halophytes. And next is the freshwater habitat. Freshwater habitat is the habitat like river, pond, pools, lake. Example of river, pools, ponds, lakes. These are the example of freshwater animals. And freshwater habitat. And what are the animals? Tortoise, fish, okay, or we can say duck, or what are the plants? Hydrilla, lily, lotus. These are the plants and these are the animals that live in the freshwater habitat, or these are as the hydrophytes. Okay, so this is these are the two types of aquatic habitat, water habitat. Okay, next आता है terrestrial. We will discuss it in next video. Till then, if you like this video, then you can share and subscribe and like our channel.